Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit your story privacy on Facebook. So open up your Facebook, go to your profile on the top right, and click on stories. Once you've done that, click on the archive menu and click on the three little dots here. Then click settings and select CO story settings from here. So here you can see all your privacy settings for your stories. So story privacy, who can see your story? You can set it to public, friends, custom, or whatever. Sharing options, this is who can share it, if you even want anyone to be able to share it. The story archive is to save your story automatically after they've disappeared. And stories you've muted. Muted stories, you can only see when you mute and mute stories, so I haven't muted any, so you can check them out from here. And that's pretty much actually all of the settings for stories. So yeah, if you need anything, this is where to go for your story on Facebook. Hope this helped. If it did, drop a like and subscribe, and see you next time. Have a nice day.